Our goals and values are the heart and soul of our company. Our ambition is to provide convenient service in a prime location that best suits the needs of our target market. Our first goal encompasses what this company is all about, providing organic alternatives. Our second goal exemplifies the attraction of shopping with us, stress-free, easy shopping. Our third goal illustrates our ability to remain open and be active in the community for many years to come. Our fourth goal cultivates a desire to expand our business in due time to reach even more residents in the community. Our fifth goal establishes our commitment to staying true to our values of limiting the effects of food deserts and food insecurity. And finally, our sixth and final official goal is to promote local farmers and remain true to offering locally grown, fresh, organic produce.